Hello friends, welcome to the new video of the Node.js. So here we are going to learn about how to upload files or images in Node.js with the help of Multer. Very popular. Multer is very popular. You can see that lots of downloads. So what is Multer is basically a Node.js middleware for handling multi-part form data, which is primarily used for uploading files, right? So it's very simple. You need to install this one. And what is the usage input? Okay, so we are going to create the API, right? So here you can see that this is the method and this is the upload function. So it will call the upload.single. This is the name of the image. That is the name parameter. Then you can do the rest of the things. So they have the different functions. Let's see. They have the upload multiple destination. You can path. You can pass it out. And then we have, you can see they have the disk storage like this one. You can also do the same. Okay, I think they have the checking also filter function. So set this function to control which files to be uploaded, which files not to be uploaded, error handling. Then you can do the rest of the error handling, like if the multi error, something like this, you can do that. Okay, so let's take a look what I have done. So here in server.js I have created the this one path, and here I'm sending the function name. So this is basically if the file is required, then file is required, else we are going to send the response in the file. Very simple. This is a route, and rest of the that is for upload folders that we are going to use for uploading the file data into the upload section. Then we have a upload. So here we have all the function, that is the constant storage disk. So here you can see that const storage disk is there. So let's see. So this is the storage disk. You can see that. So it's full-fledged code, storage multi disk. So this is the storage one, right? After that we have a filter. So we have already discussed about the filter function here. So you can see that function filter. So you can here you can checks allow mime type should be this one. If not null this, then your invalid file type, right? After this we have the object multi we have, then the file size we have added, and with the filter also, like the filter should like the this one, it allows only jpg and png files only, else it will show you the invalid file type. Next we have the this one where we have do the exports dot upload image, upload dot image, and here we are sending, if it is showing the error, then it will show error, otherwise it will show into the next one. So it will go to the this server.js and return this file. Very easy, very simple. If you want to make it more simple, then you can just pass it out the file route in the this one, this way you can, if you don't want such kind of things. So it's very simple, you can directly pass like this one app.post.photos.upload upload.array.photos function, then it will return you the array. And make sure upload should be there, constant multi disk destination should be there, right? After this you need to also manipulate the file name. So by help of this, if you don't want the filtering image size or file type is invalid or something, you need to do you can do like this way. Okay, you can see that if I'm going to upload this image from the postman, if I'm going to send this image, right, and I'm going to send a select any kind of image, so it is basically 18 kb, so 5 MB is allowed. So I'm going to add this one image, send. You can see that preview file is uploaded. Go to the uploads, you can see that Node.js uploads the images there, right? Very simple, very easy. Do the same way in the React or Angular or Vue, like this way. So API we have create. So how to create upload API, you can see that. So all the details of the MIME type, destination, file name, path, size, everything is there, right? So I think you get to know about the what is Multer, how is going to be use it. This is basically you can upload the multiple array files also. So if you want that video, comment in the section. I want the multiple array of images we need to upload with the help of Multer. Just comment box you can write if you want that video. I will explain that video also. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any issue, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.